Hello, today we're going to look at how to use an FM unit to access audio equipment for a student with a hearing impairment. So because they have cochlear implants or hearing aids, they really shouldn't use headphones because you may be familiar with that horrible squeal that happens when your devices are covered by an external source. So we're going to start with using a Zoom link. We're going to explain it using the Zoom link, which is one of the choices of devices that our students use. We have several different kinds of microphones, but essentially they're all going to work the same way. So let's just walk through it with the Zoom link because there is one little extra piece of equipment that comes with the Zoom link that you do have to do. So basically, when a student is going to access some kind of audio equipment, they need to have the teacher side. So the Zoom link is the microphone. Some other examples might be the Roger Inspiro or the touch screen. Those are the three major microphones that we use with our students. So the student's going to take the teacher microphone, and in the case of the Zoom link, insert this backpack that they use also for charging their device. So we're going to go ahead and snap that on, and that allows us to plug in peripherals to this device. So the student then would take the what's called a patch cord, and you can see it's a stereo patch cord. It's got two rings around the port, the port here, and we're going to insert that into the only hole that it fits in, which is the one that's labeled audio. And then we're going to take the opposite end and plug it into the headphone jack of whatever it is that they're supposed to be listening to, whether it's a Chromebook or a desktop computer or some kind of music player, etc. We don't have to turn this device on because it's automatically going to turn on. And once the sound happens in the computer or device that they're listening to, there's going to be an A that shows up on the screen so that they know the audio is coming through that device. So you should possibly even hear it. If the student's wearing hearing aids, you may be able to hear it yourself, just that the sound is going in there. But just make sure that this has an A, because if it doesn't have the A, that means it's not picking up the computer's sound. And then to disconnect it, obviously all you have to do is disconnect all the cables, pop off that patch cord, and then sometimes you have to reset it by pushing the power back on and off. Sometimes it just clears and goes back to the typical screen for you to use as an FM device. So again, you put on the Zoom link, you're going to put on a backpack. If the device has just an audio port, just plug the cable into the audio port, plug the other end into the headphone jack, and it should be good to go for your student. Very simple. Thank you.